I wanted to show you what the RGB lights look like. They look so good on these fans. Oh my goodness, check it out here. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Cooler Master Masterfan MF120 Halo White Edition. I did receive this product from Cooler Master to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the nice retail box in packaging right here, walking us through some of the key tech specs and features. So this has addressable RGB. Obviously, we have the white edition here. The fan speeds are as follows: 650 RPM all the way up to 1800 RPM, give or take 10%. We also have an airflow rating of 47.2 CFM, also within 10% margins. This is rated for 160,000 hours. That's pretty crazy to me. And lastly, the noise level is anywhere between 6 and 30 decibels. Now let's go ahead, let's open this up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up in our kit right here, you can see we have 4 screws for the fan. We also have a male-to-male RGB adapter if we need to use that to connect multiple cables together. And we also have our RGB clip right here to keep our cables in place to prevent them from coming apart. And last but not least, you can see the fan itself right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. I love the Cooler Master logo and branding on it. The white is spectacular. It looks so nice. And you can also see it from the back side right here. Really a good looking fan. And then we also have all of our cable connections right here for the fan and for the ARGB. Now let's go ahead, let's get this installed. All right, so we have our white Masterfan installed on our GPU fan bracket, which is really cool. I love that feature of this particular case where we can actually put a fan directly on our GPU. You might notice that these black fans up top are also the same Masterfans, just in black as our white one down below. Now let's go ahead, let's look at them up close. So take a look at the fan up close, check it out. You can see how good it looks. Oh my gosh. All the RGB we have and the cool rings illuminating on the sides as well. We can't forget about the back side too, so you can see how the back side looks right here. Pretty cool. And then if you want to see what the black version looks like, you can get a feel for that. Identical in every way, except we have a black fan body versus the white fan body. So you can see how good they look up close. Lastly, with the studio lights off, I wanted to show you what the RGB lights look like. They look so good on these fans. Oh my goodness, check it out here. Definitely going to complement your build. We'll cycle through some of the different color options here so you can get an idea for how everything's going to look for you in your build. So check that out. Oh my goodness, they're very bright, rich in colors and saturation. I mean, check that out as it cycles through different colors and effects. You can see really bright, but also diffused in a good way. So it's going to do a nice job spreading the light for you. Soft to look at, not too harsh. And then we got the Cooler Master purple. Looks really nice. Love this white, gray, icy silver, whatever you want to call it, color. And now you can see we're back to the RGB settings for this fan. Everything's really bright, vivid, and it looks great.